Hi, this is Elizabeth from WTI, and if you're like me and my family, you probably have boxes of old photographs that are just waiting around for you to digitize them. This is a photo scanner from Plustek. It is incredibly awesome. It is so easy to use and it makes everything efficient and quick. I have been working on family projects of trying to use traditional scanners, digitize all these photographs, and normally you have to place them down, you have to put the scanner on top of it, and it just takes forever. What makes this scanner so unique is that you literally drop the photos down through the slot, and as they fall through, it scans the photographs. A quick little rundown of all your things. You're going to have your power cable that will go into the back, and then you will also have the cable that will connect to the computer. The one side is a USB port, so if your computer does not support USB, you just need to have a little adapter and then everything will work good. Once you have the programs downloaded, then you will open it, plug everything in, and we'll begin to start. It can also do things like color correction. As you can see, this photo is a little faded, but when you hit over here, white balance, play around with exposure, white balance, and optimization. Those ones are my favorite. If we click white balance for this one, we can see that it has actually restored some of the color, and we can see better what's happening in that photograph. We all have those boxes and boxes of old photographs that we truly cherish, but now it's time to make them digital. Update all your photographs with this awesome photo scanner. It's definitely worth it. It will save you time and energy, and it will give you amazing quality photographs. So stop keeping them in the boxes, stop keeping them in the basement. It's time to digitize all your photographs, and that's my point of view.